Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to prevent password change on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To safeguard against unauthorized password changes on your iPhone, initiate the process by navigating to the Settings app, and once you get there, proceed to Screen Time. Unactivate Use Screen Time Passcode or change Screen Time Passcode. Then confirm by clicking Change Screen Time Passcode to establish a unique passcode. Subsequently, delve into Content on Privacy Restrictions to toggle on, input the newly set passcode, and proceed to inhibit alterations to account changes, specifically within the Password Settings section. This comprehensive procedure effectively imposes restrictions, ensuring enhanced security by preventing any unauthorized modifications to your iPhone's password settings. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.